Couching is probably one of the easiest embroidery stitches, and it's also the simplest, but you could, play around with it and get some really interesting results. You could, sometimes I like to lay the threads next to each other to kind of make them a thicker line, or you could play around with how thick the threads are that you are laying down. So in couching, you have two threads that you're working with. You have the laid thread, so this is the one that's going to be laying down here, and then this white thread is going to be the one that you're working with, and that's what's going to hold down this laid thread. And so what you want to do is you want to do your drawing, and you're just going to be following along that drawing. So you're going to come up through that line, and then you're going to stitch down the laid thread on the other side like this. And there are two things that you want to kind of keep in mind. The first is when you're doing your thread to hold it down, you want that stitch to be perpendicular to this thread here. And the other thing you want to keep in mind too is the stitch lengths that you're doing here are all similar. And what you also want to do is when you come up through the line there, you don't want your needle to go down through the same hole. So you want it to be just beside the other side of the thread there. And that's it. That's how you do couching.